What's something people don't know about withdrawing from the Aviator game? It's simpler than you think. First, log into your casino or betting account where you play Aviator. Head to the withdrawal or cashier section. Look for it in your account dashboard or main menu. Next, choose your withdrawal method. Options include e-wallets like Skrill and PayPal, bank transfers, credit debit cards, cryptocurrencies, and local payment methods like Google Pay. Pick what works best for you. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Watch out for minimum and maximum limits. If prompted, provide any necessary details like bank account info or your e-wallet ID. Then review everything and hit Confirm or Withdraw Now. First time withdrawing? You might need to complete KYC verification by uploading documents like your ID and proof of address. Now, just wait for processing. Instant for some e-wallets, but bank transfers can take a few days. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your winnings.